Hi, I'm Joel Davies, and I'm the owner and lead systems engineer here at Live IT. Live IT is an information technology company that's been servicing Edmonton and the surrounding area for the past 10 years. I've been working in the information technology industry as a systems engineer and a systems administrator for over 20 years. Here at Live IT, we're capable of completing tasks of any size and/or complexity. We can design and build computer systems. We can design and build custom business software solutions. We fix computers. We develop web pages and digital marketing campaigns. Recently, we've added a remote administration platform to remotely administer and help home workers during this COVID-19 challenge that we're all facing. So if you need some help, please give us a call at 780-710-2727 or see us on the web at www.live-it.ca. Hey, thanks and have a great day. I'm Joel Davies.